You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly, this name from Spanish. If you want to learn more confusing Spanish vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. Pronounced as Tejo. Spanish pronunciation. This is a sport, famous sport in Colombia, and it's also various things in Spanish pronounced Tejo. Tejo. Spanish pronunciation. How to pronounce Tejo. In English, it's usually pronounced as Tejo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.